here we are back on the hot, muggy street of New York.
This is the Honor Band 5 unboxing and hands-on.
What's up guys, it's me again, Spo2 from TechNave, and today it will be a little bit different because I'll be bringing you guys out of this studio to try out the Honor Band 5 features in real time. But first, let's check out the unboxing.
Okay, as usual, opening up a USB cable, you have the charging dock and also the Honor Band 5.
So this time, the Honor Band 5 comes with
AMOLED display
with a better graphic and also a better brightness adjustment. It also comes with a new Spo2 feature which can measure your oxygen level inside your bloodstream during your exercise. Normally, it will be between 95% to 100%. You still have the usual features in the band, the footsteps measurement, the heartbeat measurement, the sleeping mode, the workout mode, which has more than 5 options for you during your workout sessions. And guys, I've been using this watch for 14 days and I found out some hidden features on the Honor Band 5. That is the camera shutter button and the ability to control your music player. Let me show you.
As for the battery life, it can last for 14 days on standby and a 7 days straight power usage with a full charge.
And lastly, the only thing I don't quite like about this device is the charging adapter, which uses a clip-on design, which I find a little bit troublesome for me, but maybe you get used to it. So, enough talking, let's head out of this video and have some fun with the Honor Band 5. Yo! Welcome back! So I'll be in the gym room featuring few features of the Honor Band 5. So first, let's test out the heart rate before I start my workout session. So before workout, my heart BPM is 90 to 91, and now let's start the workout. Let's go! And as I'm running on track, you can see that the running program, the indoor running bot mode, can track your heartbeat at the same time as your distance. You get an alert notification if your heartbeat is over the limit that you set. Whew. So I've done my running and let's check the Spo2 rating, which is the oxygen saturation in your blood flow. This is to prevent any stress out or any giddiness or faint during your workout. So let's try. Okay, so the measurement of Spo2 turns out to be 99%. So it's the range of healthy range. The healthy level is between 95 to 100.
And finally, I need to take some post-workout pictures to post on my Instagram. With the remote shutter on the Honor Band 5, I can easily do posing for my pictures.
So after your workout, you still can check all your data from the health app in your phone. So that's all for today. I hope that you can learn something about the Honor Band 5 in this video, and as always, be sure to subscribe and like our Facebook page and YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon, and I'm Spo2 from TechNave. Till next time.